Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to make text overlay image in Elementor. Let's get started. So this right here is my WordPress site. So I've already opened it on Elementor, and once I have done that, I can just head over and add in here a container. So for example, let's add in here a container. And once you have added right here a container, you can choose the layout that you want. For example, for me, I'll just choose this near this flex box, and I'll choose this one right here. And then as you can see, it's been added just like this. Now you can have the option to change its width and also the height that this has. So for example, you can change it like this one, and you can also adjust the width that it has to make it bigger right here. Now you can also change item direction that you want as well and wrap it up if you want as well. And in here you can see the option for style. So in here you can choose the background type, and you can see in here this last icon, which is a slideshow. So you can head over and then click on the slideshow right here, and you can select an image. And from in here, I'll just head over and select an image that I can use for this case. So you can also insert from the media library that you have, or you can also insert from URL. It depends on what you want to choose for this case. So for example, for me, I'll just choose this one. Click on this create new gallery, click on this insert right here, and as you can see, it has been added. Now you can also change up the actual background size of this one. You can make this automatic. You can also make this cover and also all of these things that they have right here. Now you can also see in here the background overlay. So under this background overlay, you can make it normal or also hover. And also in here is the border, wherein you can actually change up the pixels that this has right here. So you can make this different in border size. I can also click on this advanced right here, and you can change the margin and the padding of this as well as alignment. So once it's been added right here, you can add some few more things in this case. Now let's head back, and now in here we can add some basic widgets like heading and also text editor. So for example, let's add in here a heading. Now as you can see, it's been added. So you can head over and then change up the title that you want right here. For example, let's add in here couch. And then you can also paste some links as well as the HTML tag. And you can also change the style that they have. So for example, let's make it on the center. And you can also change the text color that this has right here. So for this case, let's choose in here this color. And also you can choose the typography as well as stroke, that mode, and you can also change the advanced style for this one if you want to as well. So it totally depends on you which ones you want for this. But once it's been added, you can actually head over and add few more things that you can choose from in this case. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.